So let's click on the send button and see what happens. So that is it, and as you can see, the messages has been sent successfully. The SMS has also been delivered to the phone instantly. Welcome, and I'm going to introduce you to a very powerful software that you can use to send bulk SMS messages to any phone number in any country. This software offers the cheapest rates to send bulk SMS messages to anywhere in the world without having to use expensive third-party gateway API services. So here I would simply log in to show you a live proof test of the bulk SMS software. So I have just logged in on the bulk SMS software. Now let's get on to do a live proof test of the SMS. So now we simply click on quick send to send SMS right away. And this is where we are going to send our SMS. So the first option we have here is the sender ID. You have options to use a custom sender ID or a phone number sender ID. If you want to use a phone number sender ID, you simply type it right here. And if you want to use a custom alphanumeric sender ID, you can type it right here. The custom sender ID that I want to use for this live test is my bulk SMS. So this is the custom sender ID that I want to use. So I will be sending SMS to a different random countries at the same time. We simply need to type in the phone numbers right here, and keep in mind you can also upload your bulk contacts to the software and send directly. So this is a website where we can get random phone numbers of different countries, and we will use these phone numbers for this live SMS test. We will use a United Kingdom phone number and simply open it in a new tab. Let us also select a Denmark phone number and open it in a new browser tab. Likewise, we will use a Finland phone number and open it in a new browser tab. Also, we will use a Netherlands phone number and open it in a new browser tab. So we have selected a couple of phone numbers for this live tests. We have United Kingdom, we have Denmark, Finland, Netherlands. So I'm going to send a live test SMS to all these phone numbers at once. So all we have to do now is to copy all these phone numbers and paste it in the bulk SMS software. So I have simply copied all these phone numbers and pasted into the software. So now let us go on to type and send the SMS message right away. If you have saved an SMS template in the software, you can use that to send your SMS, or you simply type in your message below and send it. For this live test, let us type a message like this. This is a test SMS from my bulk SMS software 2024. Do not reply. So this is the test SMS I want to send out to all these phone numbers all at once. And I would show you how this SMS will be delivered all at once and instantly. Remember, our sender ID for this SMS is my bulk SMS. We want all the SMS to be delivered from the same sender ID. So let's click on the send button and see what happens. So that is it, and as you can see, the messages has been sent successfully. The SMS has also been delivered to the phone instantly. And this is a SMS report showing the status of the SMS message. Now let us head over to the phone to see the SMS message. As you can see, we have the same message received on the phone. This is a test SMS from my bulk SMS software 2024. Do not reply. So let us open the SMS. And as you can see, the same SMS has been delivered to the phone and from the same custom sender ID name. So let's check if the SMS have been delivered to the United Kingdom phone number. And as you can see right here, the SMS has been delivered to the UK phone number. This is a test SMS from my bulk SMS software 2024. Do not reply. And with the same custom sender ID that we used. Also, we have the same SMS message already delivered to the Denmark phone number. As you can see, this is the Denmark phone number with the same SMS received on it. And this is the Finland phone number here. As you can see, we have the same sender ID and we have the same SMS also received on the Finland phone number. So let us check the last phone number, which is the Netherlands phone number, to see if the SMS has been received. And yes, the same SMS has been received on the Netherlands phone number and also with the same custom sender ID that we use. All of the phone numbers that we use for this live test have received the same SMS message that we sent and also with the same sender ID name. You can use this bulk SMS software to send unlimited SMS to thousands of phone numbers all at once. And this is a great solution to advertise your business, products, and offers. Supercharge your communication strategy with this powerful cutting-edge bulk SMS software. Elevate your SMS marketing now and seize the power of instant outreach and unlock absolute business success. Click the link in the video description to register and get started now.